Do I need to know exactly what treatment I want? Not at all. Many patients come to their first consultation without a clear idea of what they're looking for, and that's completely normal. Your practitioner's role is to listen to your concerns, assess your skin, and help you understand what options may be suitable. You don't need to arrive with a treatment in mind, you just need to arrive. Can I decide on the day? You don't need to make any decisions on the day of your consultation. Your practitioner will walk you through your options and give you the information you need, but there's no expectation that you'll commit to anything straight away. Taking time to consider your options is always encouraged. If you do feel ready and it's clinically appropriate, same-day treatments may be possible for certain treatments, subject to availability. Your practitioner will guide you through what makes sense for your situation. Not sure what to book? We can help. If you're unsure whether to explore injectable treatments, skin treatments, or laser options, or whether a doctor or dermal therapist is the right fit for you, you don't need to work that out on your own. At Contour, our team can help guide you toward the right consultation pathway from the start. Simply reach out and let us know where you're at, and we'll point you in the right direction. Can I have treatments on the same day as my consultation? It depends on the treatment. For some treatments, it's possible to go ahead on the same day as your consultation, where clinically appropriate and subject to availability. For others, a separate appointment is required. Your practitioner will talk you through what's possible during your consultation, so you'll know exactly what to expect before you leave.